So really there's two reasons why boat flooring fails. Is the adhesion and the softness. The adhesion is when a product is placed to the substrate. If it gets too hot and it's not perfectly prepped, it's gonna come up. Water, the elements, all that fun stuff gets in the way. And the softness, if it gets scratched or cut, a lot of times that becomes either a tearing point or a point to get stained. Our product, because it's a granulated rubber, is a little bit harder. Still soft to the touch, still smooth, still comfortable on the foot. However, because of its density and its strength, it doesn't absorb any of the stains, as well as if something drops on it, because it's stronger, it'll bounce or reject the hit versus taking it in and getting cut or scarred. My name's Dave Odell, and I'm the owner of Deck Armor. Today, we're building and installing decking for our brand new XPC. We are absolutely ecstatic about the XPC Boats being brought into us. It's a fantastic boat, it's versatile, it's great for the fishermen, it's great for someone who's going backcountry, who's going into the bay. It's a wonderful boat. And adding our slip-resistant flooring, the high density, the safety aspect, and the easy to clean part just makes an XPC that much better. Our process when it comes to installing is a pour in place. So we mix a granulated rubber with our binder to oatmeal consistency. Once you have that oatmeal consistency, we hand lay it into the boat. What that does is that allows for a perfectly smooth line that matches the outline of the boat exactly. It also gives us the ability to inlay logos like the XPC logo that you'll see on this boat. Quality is won and lost in the preparation and in an install. Preparation, we got to make sure that we tape the lines out just right, and that gives us the guidelines for us where we're laying the product. What I really think that everyone needs to know about this is because each granule is mixed with the binder, each granule grabs onto the deck. So it's not a sticker. Each granule becomes its own adhesion point, allowing for us to lay it perfectly on your boat and it's sticking to the boat. It allows the bond to be as strong as it needs to be on the edges as well as on the inside. So stepping on the edges, moving on the edges is still going to be as strong as stepping in the center. That strength, that consistency throughout the whole boat and throughout the whole deck portion allows for its durability. It allows for its strength. And what that does is that turns around and becomes something that is a part of the boat, not just placed on top of the boat. This deck is designed around real world use. This is something that you can work hard and put away wet. It's easy to clean, it won't stain, it doesn't hold on to the stains. Even after a full day of fishing and fish blood on your boat, simple hand-held washer will do fine. If you let it sit for a couple days, all you need to do is take a pressure washer to it. And our product is strong enough to take a pressure washer to it. You're not gonna cut into it, you're not gonna cut deep. We back our decking with a lifetime warranty for recreational vessels. This is because we handle and control the whole process from start to finish. Your boat comes into us, stays with us throughout the whole install, and is released to the customer, done, cured, and ready to go. When the deck is built correctly, when you put the quality and the care that we do into installing this flooring, you don't have to worry about it. So now it's just a part of your boat. Go fishing, easy to clean, doesn't stain, you're not slipping around, you're not falling, gives you a little extra cushion for the anti-fatigue. Everything's there for you. Once it's installed, you're done.